Hi, my name is Ahmed Jabari. I am currently a student at Arizona State University. I have enrolled in this course at Maricopa Colleges and specifically at Paradise Valley College. I have decided to enroll in this course at a college to be able to finish quicker and graduate earlier. This course is a required course for my major, which was mechanical engineering. At the beginning of this course, I had faced some technical issues and some problems which I managed to solve by working hard throughout the semester and putting more effort to be able to catch up with my teammates. Thanks for the professor, and I have emailed the professor and for some help with my technical issues and asking for some help with the work that I had to do because everything was new to me and that was my first online course. I had to go to Paradise Valley College a few times to be able to solve my technical issues, which made me delay and made me behind my other teammates. For each week, we had to submit a summary of the work that we have done and explaining the work that we have worked on. The first project that we had to work on was the Derby car project, which was new to me. So I had to search up on YouTube what is a Derby car and how can I create the perfect Derby car to be able to compete with my teammates and win the competition. After having an idea of what is a Derby car and how can I create a Derby car, I ordered some parts online that I could use to build my Derby car. When receiving the parts, I had some issues finding a workshop that I could work and build my Derby car because I am an undergraduate student and no workshop allowed me to work in the workshop. So I have decided to work on my Derby car and build the best Derby car I could with the limited tools I had at home. And throughout building the Derby car, I had to summarize the work that I have done and take some photos before and after getting my Derby car built. After getting my Derby car built, I had to send the Derby car to Paradise Valley College to the professor so I could race with my teammates in a competition and see who was the winner. Which unfortunately I wasn't the winner. After sending the card to the professor had emailed us a video of each team of each person in the course, so we could work on the Logger Pro. After getting my video, we had to work on the first project report. In this first project report, we had to work on the VPython, SolidWorks, Logger Pro, and MATLAB, which I have also faced some issues with those apps because everything was new to me and I was not familiar with the apps. But thanks for the professor, he had uploaded some videos on the website on the college website explaining how to use each and every application step by step, which really helped me in my first project report. After submitting after working on the first project report and summarizing my work throughout the weeks that I had to work on my Derby car and uploaded some photos before and after getting my Derby car ready, I have submitted my first project report. After that, we had to work on the second project report, which was the mousetrap car. That as well was new to me, and I had no idea what was a mousetrap report. So I had to search on YouTube what is a mousetrap report and how does a mousetrap report how does a mousetrap car work. After having an idea what is a mousetrap car report is, we had to my classmates and I had to form a team of 3 members in each team to be able to work on to be able to work on the mousetrap car. Each team had to contain a maximum of 3 members in each team. But I also faced some issues in that due to the lack of communication between my teammates and I. The professor had noticed that no members of 3 had came up with the team, so he had decided to email us and placing each three members in a team. The professor decided to make 3 teams, and which had 3 members in each team, and each member in a team had to work on a certain mousetrap car. After knowing my teammates, I have contacted my teammates to be able to distribute the work. I have chosen to create a mousetrap car, which mainly focused on the best mouse car trap that could travel the maximum distance. The first thing that I had to do is to search up on YouTube how to create a mousetrap car. After having an idea of a mousetrap car, I have ordered some parts online for my mousetrap car. When receiving the mousetrap car, I have took a photo of the parts that I have ordered and had to build the mousetrap car and place each part on top of the other to be able to create the best mousetrap car I could. My other teammates worked on a speed car and displacement car. After finishing my mousetrap car, I had to test my car and to see the maximum distance my mousetrap car could reach. In the first few trials, I have failed to reach a good distance. So I had to add some parts and change some parts in my mousetrap car. I also had to order some other parts online to be able to make my mousetrap car go for a further distance. After finalizing my mousetrap car, I have and tested it one last time. My mousetrap car crossed a distance of 2 meters, which is supposedly to be a good distance for a mousetrap car. After that, I had to work on my second project report, which I had to summarize and explain all the steps I had to do throughout creating my car. I also had to use the 4 applications that I used in my first project, which was the VPython, the SolidWorks, the Logger Pro, and MATLAB. After getting done with my report, I have submitted my report and worked with my teammate on a team report, which we had to take, which had to contain videos of each member while testing the Mousetrap car. I was really proud of my teammates for the great job and the great build up that they used to create their Mousetrap car. I then had to upload the video of me testing my Mousetrap car on YouTube, which first I had to create a YouTube channel under my name and uploading the video over there. After finishing all the requirements and submitting all the reports, which I hope I perfectly done. In this course, for this course, I have worked really hard and put more effort and working hours on to be able to catch up with my teammates and all the missed and late assignments that I had missed due to my technical issues and the issues that I had understanding the course, which made me work in between 7 to 10 hours a week for this course. I have learned a lot in this course, including how to use the VPython, the SolidWorks, Logger Pro, MATLAB. This course also taught me how the patience and that nothing is impossible no matter how late you are, and it is never too late to be able to catch up with your work and to submit all your assignments. I hope these applications that I have used would be beneficial for my future course